Lamig na guys. Agoy. Tingnan natin si Grandma. May dala ka ba? Gilana, let's go see that. Grandma, I told you. Ayan guys. Just me. Lamig na. Galaman pa si Mother. Nililinis mo pa yan, Mother? Maraming uod. O, in-spray mo. Ang ganda naman yan. At least naka isang sunflower ka. Namatay. Pero hindi po nag-red. Walang araw eh. Ayan siya, si Mother. Oo, sayang yung sunflower. Oh. That's a nice sunflower.
Oh, Grandma could put sunflowers over there too next year.
Saan? Where?
You know, in that spot there.
Oh, pwede ka daw mag-sunflower dun. Oo. I know, Daddy. Grandma had beautiful sunflowers.
Daddy, do one here.
Look how tall it is.
Tiny.
Oh, no. That's the tallest sunflower ever. Ba't ang taas yan? Ano nangyari?
Don't listen, he's 5'10".
You're right, don't do that.
Yung mga sunflower collector, hindi naman ganyan kataas.
Anong nilagay mo dyan?
Wala.
Bakit ang taas?
My turn.
Wait, look at this is yours right here. Look.
Dinidiligan ko lang sila ng yung ano, coffee.
Kape? Hey, hey, hey! Ha? Oh wow, it's getting taller than sunflowers. Mm-hmm. Yes, you are. Oh, yeah. Oh, let me see. You want to touch the sunflower? Okay, go touch it. Ang ganda naman ng fruit ng gulay mo.
Like this. Get down like this. Down like this. Like that.
You guys are crybaby.
Oh.
Ready? Here it is. Watch it.
Oh, wow, look at the sunflower. It's moving. Ang laki. Tayo ka doon, Mother. Tama, picturean kita. Juling, go with Grandma. Hey, honey, can you take a picture with Juling?
Why didn't you like it? I thought you wanted to go up.
Bakit ganyan? Tingin ka sa camera, anak. Ayan.
Okay.
Nice. That's a tall sunflower. Huh?
That's what happens when.
No sleep. Okay, we're going to sleep early then. No. Ang tangkad ng sa... Okay, let's go. Tinaransfer mo tong halaman mo dito, Mother, no?
Did you ask nicely for one?
Oh, trampoline. Oh,
Did you say please? You can go, but not before that. Come. Hold my hand.
say please.
I am Dage.
Julin, say. Don't forget to
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and post a notification.
like our video.
Oh, like our video. Bye, guys.
God bless. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Ayan. Uwi na. Ano na si Dilana. Thank you, everyone. God bless everyone.